Welcome to Dynasty. Yeah, don't worry, it's not about affiliate marketing. Well, this product is about set and forget online stores, which you can set with just a few clicks, and you can forget about those. This Dynasty will take care of the rest for you. So, what this product is, what bonuses you will be getting, and why should you be preferring it over the other products or websites which are offering uh, this kind of strategy. So I will explain all that in this review video. So let's get started. Okay, first of all, the tagline: press one button to activate set and forget online stores that can get them about 1,000 to 2,000 payments over and over. Okay, so preloaded with weird products that sell like hotcakes. So this is cool. Dynasty will not just set up an online store for you, but it will also provide you with the products that will sell. So you don't need products. Everything is shipped for you. Everything is 100% done for you. So if you are not comfortable with affiliate marketing, try Dynasty. Try other ways of making money online. So let me take you here. Okay, online shopping turned Jeff Bezos into the richest man in the world. Okay, so check this out. New Zealand has a GDP of $2 or $4 billion, and Jeff is a worth. He has a worth of $199.7 billion USD dollars. Okay, so he's been into this online shopping business way before the pandemic, but since pandemic has turned everybody go digital, so this trend is rising. So you should step on it and take your part in it and start taking advantage of Dynasty. Okay, the online shopping trend has minted tens of thousands of new millionaires and billionaires. Okay, let me show you this. If it's great, then why isn't everyone doing this? Okay, this is what you need to know. So, unique and hot products. You need a way to stand out and sell something people want. This is what is important. Sell something which people want. Okay, now website visitors traffic. No matter how good your product is, people is what you need to, you need traffic towards your website or towards your online store or towards your any profile you have made on any social media website. Then trustworthy website. A mobile optimized, easy to browse and website is mandatory. Yes, that's true. Okay, now pulling this off can take you months, no doubt, if not years of research, along with spending thousands of dollars. That's not to mention all the other headaches: shipping, hosting, domain names, customer support, labeling. So, with Dynasty, you do not have to worry about any of the above problems, because Dynasty gives you all-in-one solution to the problems you will be facing if you start doing this on your own. If you don't take any help now, it would take you months to do this. So you don't have a website, no problem. Don't have a domain, don't worry. Don't have any products, don't have visitors or traffic, don't want to ship anything, don't have any experience. Dynasty will cover all that for you. Okay, so people have earned this in last 30 days. But this is the results for those who are into this business for a little longer period of time. Now for beginners, but you can make money. Okay, with this method. Now, what Dynasty will offer you? Absolutely everything you need to see. Okay, so Dynasty is a web-based application, and so it will work on any device, either which is connected to internet. Either it's your Android phone, iPhone, it's Mac, or it's your laptop, Windows. so it works for all platforms. I think this is the best thing, because so many people don't have laptops, so they want to earn money using their phones, so this is good for them. Okay, now free built-in traffic. The done-for-you online stores inside of Dynasty drive free buyers to themselves. Okay, so traffic is the key to every online business, or even if it's an offline business that requires traffic. Okay, so one-click cloning technology. You will be cloning the proven sites at the press of a button. It's all possible thanks to the one-click technology of the team of Dynasty have developed. Okay, now step-by-step training videos. So you will be guided throughout your journey with Dynasty, how you can set it up and how you can start making profits. Okay, free online store hosting. So they will host your online store and at no extra charges. This is important. This is really good. Okay, then free domain name. In addition to the hosting, they will also provide you with a domain name for free. Okay, then they have added a few bonuses to sweeten the pot for you. Okay, then Dynasty Drive. This app gives you unlimited cloud hosting for free, and no longer will you have to be held hostage by Google or Dropbox. So you will be getting your cloud hosting for free. This is cool. Dynasty Send. Tired of paying the monthly fees for autoresponder where you collect your emails and then you send out to your customers. So Dynasty will offer you its built-in autoresponder for you. Then Dynasty Funnels, another great tool made by Dynasty development team. This service serves as free replacement to your funnel builder. Yes, that is actually very cool bonus. Then YouTube Nation, most complete marketing solution for YouTube ever created. Then you have FB Nation, is a social media marketing tool that allows and helps you to easily auto post schedule Instagram post along with Facebook, so you can manage all the social media with this bonus which you will be getting. And then there will be some surprise bonuses included in your members area if you buy this product. Well, this product will only cost you $17. It comes with one-time price. Now before I take you to the dashboard of Dynasty, okay, so now let me explain you a little about this website, which is Bonfire. Well, this is a similar site, it's an online web-based application which allows you to create your store's campaigns. Okay, and you can design t-shirts on it. Let me show you an example like this. I've created this for the purpose of this video, but everything will be shipped for you, everything will be done for you. But the problem comes that this website only sells t-shirts, and you will have to sell them yourself. They will not provide you any traffic source. Then there's another problem, they don't have any bonuses for you. Then they do not have what we have discussed here, that they will not tell you about the shirts that sells well. So there are no other advantages of this website, but you can still, if you want to go and try the hard way, then you can come to this website and you can try making your own campaign store and then going out there and promoting it to people and convincing them to buy this shirt from you so that you can make a few dollars. But with Dynasty, you can easily scale good amount of money. And now let me take you to the dashboard of Dynasty. Okay, so you'll find a welcome to Dynasty Academy video here, and there is this training. It's premium training. Okay, Then you can build your store. You click here, you can start building your store here. These are already made stores here. You can log into them. Step 1, add configure. Okay, you will have to add your domain, and then you will have to configure it. But the domain you can find here from domain finder. You go there and you search for any name. Let's say my name is Zainab. I type in Zainab's marketing, and I hit search. You can check and uncheck these options, whatever you like. I will search for all extensions. Okay, so there are so many options with the prices as well, and they will tell you about the availability, if it is available or not. And I think these are all available, and they will show you the prices of it if you want to buy any of the domains you like. Okay, then there is RSS builder. It will stream your content discovery and sharing. Okay, then they have their traffic engine, which will help you with the posting of your online store to all the social media networks here. You can post them as a image post or video post, HTML post, link post, text post. You want to post as a multimedia post, CTA post, and a video post. So they have given so many options for you to take it up to the platforms where you will get traffic. Okay, then the comment automation. Well, there is in this there are three options: comment template, reply template, fill out all these, and automation campaign. Then set up your automation campaign. So basically, with this store builder tool only, you can set up your store, and they will give you all the done for you I say products. And let me take you here to the bonus page and explain you in the OTOs. So basically, Dynasty's front end will cost you $17. In this, you will be able to access the software and the training modules. Then there will be Upsell 1, Dynasty Unlimited, which is for $37. So you get to create unlimited online stores with Dynasty instead of just 5. So in the front end version, you can only create 5 stores, but with Dynasty Unlimited, you can create unlimited stores, and all the limits are removed alongside with it. Okay, then Upsell 2, Dynasty, done for you. So they will do all the work for you, and in setting up your online superstore, so it's ready to start churning out $1,000 payments over and over again. So everything will be done for you for $197. Then the Upsell 3, Dynasty, 1 hour profits. So don't want to wait 1 week for results? Then don't. Use this upgrade to speed up your process. Okay, then Dynasty Limitless Traffic for $197. You will get the ability to tap into a million visitor traffic source and send 500 to 1,000 targeted visitors to your online stores daily. Well, traffic is the backbone of every business. So I think if you create your stores here, and then you can use this to send in the traffic. It is for $197. Okay, so the Dynasty Diamond Edition, you will get to clone 12 extra of the vendors' online stores that are producing predictable income for him daily, for again $197. Then the Upsell 6, Dynasty Reseller Rights for $197 again. This will allow you to sell Dynasty and keep commissions across the entire funnel. Okay, now let me take you to bonuses which you will get if you buy the product via the link mentioned below in the description. Okay, so the first bonus is called Figure Breakout. With this bonus, you can also make money using Instagram, and you can use this figure right away to start making more money with also your dynasty. So it will help you make money instantly without creating without having to need any website or any other thing. You can make your what do I say, the funnel page, sorry, the landing page without a website. Okay, then you have bonus 2, which is build your Facebook following fast. So with this bonus, you will be able to build up your Facebook following. Then dynasty bonus 3, how to build a website for dummies. Okay, so you can use this, and then access the ClickBank mastery course. Well, ClickBank comes with so many products for you to promote. You can get this course, you can start to build up your website with this bonus, and you can take the products from here and post it on this website, and then you can get your Facebook followers to visit your website, so they buy the products from you, and you start cashing in fast, and with dynasty and with these bonuses as well. So this will help you make money from Instagram, so you can take them again to this website which you will create with this bonus 3, and you can scale quite a good amount of money with the bonuses itself and the product dynasty, obviously. So the bonus page expires on the 19th of September at 11:59 p.m. So make sure you get your hands on these bonuses before this timer hits 0. Okay, so that's it for Dynasty's review. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.